Welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make a beautiful octopus. Let's see what we need. We need glue, watercolor, googly eye, 2 paper cups, and cup of water, scissors, and a stapler. And you can put paper or something when you paint in the floor. First you need to paint it. Let's start. You can paint which color you want. Paint it in sand. I want to paint it into rain first. And after I will paint the sandal, now I need to give pink. Pink is a lovely dark color. Pink. Now I'm going to give it brown. Now let's let it dry. Meanwhile, we're going to cut some legs. You need to cut it from plain paper. For the lid, you can use paper, chart, or the same paper cuts. I'm going to show you how to cut it in the paper, and I'm going to cut the paper cup and stick it. Necessary to cut straight. You can cut each slices and you can cut it like this. Now I'm going to cut it in the paper. 2 pieces. Let's cut 2 more. You need to cut 4 pieces. Now we cut it 4 pieces. You can paint it in any color. I'm going to paint it in brown. Now our cup is dry. Now we're going to stick our googly eyes. Finished sticking it. Now if the legs are dry. Now we have finished sticking the googly eyes. Now let's stick the legs. You can stick any number of legs, and I just want 4, and you can draw with your mouth, and our octopus is ready. Thank you for watching our channel.